On here, Dan.
Well, we're disassembling this window so we can get the frame out and thank you, set the new window. There we go. Perfect. And we're leaving the side trim in place, replacing the bottom top and the left side trim. Process of a series of steps.
Of which we'll only explore a few today.
Right.
This video is going to look a lot easier than it is.
Yeah, it's always deceptive. Let me see something down like this.
Unfortunately, or fortunately, the average attention span is only, what, about 4 minutes, so we're going to keep this fairly limited for everyone.
Yeah, good idea. Huh? Come hold this. I was just going to do something. Okay.